Hello, this is Mike Kilgore with Trident. I'm here today with Brandon Barber with Emerald Coast Restoration Services. I'd like to endorse Brandon and his company as a master certified contractor for Trident products and all your hardscape sealing needs. Brandon's been dedicating the resources to complete the online trainings to become a master certified contractor, include intro to sealing, intermediate training, step-by-step processes, attending a live hands-on training, and completing the advanced certification. With all these classes, Brandon will be your best choice for your project. Brandon, can you tell us why you decided to align your company with Trident?
The benefits of aligning with Trident would be the quality of the products, the quality of the customer service, and then mainly just the fact of being able to use such a professional grade of products for customer satisfaction.
So if you're looking for exceptional work, an eye for detail, and great customer experience, contact Brandon today so he can make your hardscape look the best it can be. Go Team Trident.